Hello guys, this is Hard Reset, and if Microsoft Teams isn't working, like messages not sending, calls not connecting, or the app freezing, follow these steps to resolve the issue. So first of all, you need to close and reopen Teams, just like that. If it didn't help you, let's go to Settings, and we need to check App Permissions. Let's go to Teams, and there are app permissions. The main app permissions in Teams are camera, microphone, photos and videos, and maybe notifications. So here you go, and if you still have issues with Teams, try to reinstall the app. This is a good solution for almost every situation. Let's go to find Teams, uninstall, and install it again. Okay, so let's open. Imagine if you logged in, you did all of these things and it still doesn't working. So the next option you can do is check for service outages. So we're going to Google, search the downdetector.com. Go to Down Detector and search for Teams. And here we go, there are Microsoft Teams, and those are all drop downs of the system, of the servers. So it might be an issue, but this is not really hard issue, this is not big issue. So, and if even it didn't you help, and even if it didn't help you, the last option you can do is the check on internet connection, if it's stabilizing, and reboot your phone or just restart it. And that's all. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.